and not yet, I say a country because and as I kind of hear me pa, and I want to be very person me cast something and you're very straightforward and clear. What say? Ever since this number one issue started, you know, I've told you guys, media, nyamia do me to me some information be na obi enya enti na ya na mka se munya abotre no ho hia because me are very much aware of enuma bia ekoso enti ye hope say sa nneoma no ebekọ te se nia ekọ na obia ensa ka ni sika eno na the most important hey to say kura de obia so bom pa ye ma na mo an se na be ya bibi nkoto no wu asa senka asan enti ye bom pa ya ma no because nipa be presika wo ho nyame mfa samba minim say enya ade obewu sese ya young guy but the most important thing here is obia ansa be ka ni sika and that is something that as we speak enne minimum chanasem but enne as we speak it is what I know that a buying also interest a woman say any pabenyo musika and you know ya to na no ya go see who say bia also who show proof of funds also you say ni nyina ye monitor say kodu ba bi ni ehu say ade na yenim say aban eye no afi de aban person o de fa nchen a ye nyina be san aba ha ya ye nkran tro da na be ka tro bia say hwe aban no mpem asem enti no say ya ye ka say media like I've always said you know na metumi aka and then say obi enya abotre na institutions ni ye adwuma yes ya de nti na one by am remand no eno no eye two issues one edanchen remand ne itself no sanka Ghana mra eni obi adi ne pepepa anka mewu bisamia ne ameka ne se ne anka meka ne se munja na aban enye na de institutions no enye adwuma court no enye adwuma this issue no I'm very optimistic say it will come to babia obia any budget. The only problem I may want to say, I'm telling you, the only problem I may want to say, encrophobia ewo memu ha, o kan samo montiase. Na one no oji usika won. Bosumi bia no amount 10%. Bosumi no abeje 10%. Bosumi no abeje 10%. Ebinum je 4 years. Ebinum just at 10% no 4 years. Ebi je 3 years. Ebi je 2 years. Na just no omu jisika o. And ebedum pempen so bia aban hwa the way na ade ne kono. Ye nhye dan hu future no of edwuma ni ye na aban se omunjai because omu mpese enipa bebre hu bakwa akokam ya ti ase. Ti omujai. And na one na so okochesi sika bi wo Dubai no koka ho 8 months ya afi na waba ya ti ase. But the problem is that omemu ha esono mra yedidi kwaku ena esono mra yedidi kofi na one de ne de emra na yedidi no pepepe moma mra na yedima but samra kro na eduru binum so emra ni ndi omo samra kro na ye nyina ya gya tum say nam minua no madam for no you have to go through the process the magnitude of issue na wo ho no how many people have reported this case and so on you must go through the process we will abaibe yusum rano also be for lawyer and go through the process samra krona edru nipa binum so a endi omo sa yeti omemu ha ena omo ka kire say omo de enkrofo bi omo de omo ya banko omo mfa sika ni bi nkan wote say na one man enkrofo 10% every month sa for 4 years 3 years no enkrofo bi ya bank omo de omo ji usika so omo de to okeka ma wo omo hwe usika no so ma okeke omo ji sika no mo adi Ghana mo yanka no kuro na one ne de no de oje o ma 10% ono na o remand yi yeti ase emra ne ye na edwuma ye nyina pese Ghana ye ba enkrofo bi de omo mfa interest ni bi nka ho omo je se omo de koto ho ama okeke omo jeje enkrofo sika na omo de koto bank no omo di ye enna me modin ye se osofo bi ka ho omo di sika no wie ye no and a buy sign for taxpayers' money 610 million Ghana cedis. 610 million Ghana cedis were and Ghana ya. She bridge on betrayin. She be Bianco school. She a lot pine. Yet to me for 610 according to information. Near the mom said. And Crofoni Sikana, Magina, Medino, and as a moment mismanaging no. Munji Sika we no more find shame with women who send a beya bank no engu. According to information in Yan, Omuji is 610 and 10 about the mom will say, Omun found my customers near the find your bank no saying dear no so come. So much chair. Omu increase your salaries, no dear no so come. Omu wie no na fa ban hwa ade no nie nyan to say aban be take you over bank no na aban etua sika no biem e ma customers no sankrofo no nam free omu nam omamu ha free sankrofo na ye ka omu asem sese no omu nam omamu ha o obeti yesi o ye omu ko yoku e ya no omu ko ha because omu ye papa form penny for big manship it omu de omu ye okay. Enti me de emra na edi na mo ano megitum na adenti na Ghana ha emra chi obi na obi wo hode a emra nche no big man for no de emra na echi om no very different. Mo wa dey say media for no media police for no e me de papa police ni wo ye young boy wo twi wo ka kakra wo ko wo ni police nya asem kitwa bi wo ko ka se wo ko biewa no wo challenge no obebo owi a na wasan ko lock wo opo no ko twantra to so say oh na wo defend self defense sa no nko kun zongo for 7 no omu be twantra to so police for omu du wo be twantra to me nkasa mo sa fe journalist no fi twantra to mo so bi wo ko chi wonya ko chi journalist say omu abome na say me nipa bi ka ho Daily Ghanaian Times journalist yom konya issue ya say police for abomi me nipa police ni ba akoka ho madam for pa intim sa mu fi interdiction ne ba eya amuntu nkrofo no fo emra no ade ade ye wa enye wo de no memfa nye wunua squad na say me ni madam for kasa o se hwe me kura de mambo no me anya no hwe o but to say journalist no police yi nya friend say brakra hey asa Tunisia ni a won ne bobo wa to form so we can bia na any friend go hey o ma bomi won dey won Tunisia for bobola won kind of grand one footballers name and they won roll no so the journalist from the police force say because police for mo dia ye enipa che mo di emran no ye different wo mamu ha nya ye bedi na mo ano ye mfendi na mtu nya ye bedi men's gold no ye mfendi women's gold. And a young boy stick woman no more bresa boys when a man no police ni harasso no police ni person then session bottom yan saying crank for force will be the session bottom and you know police for papa won me call headquarters a woman me now for but e bi no say adwuma no emra na ye didi ha no court no na didi ha no endi ha emra na ye call police station didi we no endi we what your mem have say jail will be 15 years young boy after the by 20 we jail or ye dan okowi a 10 Ghana eso no obi afa ban sika 51 million 11 years ni na we you me court up and down no ba and the video me yama na nche me ka some listen here tie what your mem ha obeti say obi akowi a banchi aponchi ewo wakwati obi akokọ ye jail no 10 years eso ye nyina ye tie o mem ha na ye beti say MPs ebinum age double salary ewo mamu ha MPs on age double salary enipa na ye de omkoso omko semra no ye se on age double salary em ye de omko police headquarters besin ne wati ho asam da wati say sa asam ne ekosi san enkosi hu but police headquarters in the last 2 weeks makoho more than 5 times adentia obi didi matem nam didi ni bi what one police ni afro brand ye person ye investigation atem didi dia police for what time didi atem didi echi we di matem me di ubi police for what time I say fabra sankanya sa me ye kwame plus me ye bosom sankanya any young boy no ne sa asabi ni nya sa issue na kombe lock wo tina me se mun kan humbom na me di manim mun kan humbom asam na me kama sanka ye mumu bia na muni asabi nya issue akoma lock wo kombe lock wo abechiw akọ lock wo kasa ye babu ye do be kokot ye be twantwa to so wo ya amroba ade ahia se police ni be kun won kran kuma ni so on kasa wo ya amroba keke wo kun wi a on kasa wo ya amroba esi unye obia timi kasa mchemo ya muntie enipa na omo ye the so called leaders no mo mem ha no ye pese ye hu se omo koje double salary we ye adwuma wo commercial bank for instance. If you work with Ghana Commercial Bank na se wo salary wo je ne mienu e bia wo je salary na wo san je ba ko mo ehu no mo san tua e na wo di ya wo je salary mienu e na wo di ya nkabade san wo daje on be chiwatun ye do be ba graphic say wo ye kronfo wa je double salary enti ye pese ye hu se MPs na ye se omoje double salary no e kosi sign special prosecutor budget ye 180 something million. You need school, you need hospital, and from a new hospital in nipa to me wu. And kwara yare ntontun da so kun kwara wo memu ha. Maame fo ne papa fo ekọ pension o salary kete say edwie ba shoe talking ase are. So yetumi afa 100 and something million as special prosecutor budget. Basing there, o chesi ayarega for 30,000. Omo je double salary no ekosi sign. Example ben ye de sa ankrofo no eye e de akire. Chese Ghana ha de. Wo ye kurasini a sabe emra no tumi ndi wudi ye betumi achi watum wo bekọ akodare nsanwon prison 10 years na ye nkan wasem because wo ni okamafo. Sa de ne na ye twame awo no sa de na ye me ya no. Enti obehu na masori na me kontokwa ma obi be frɛ me o say hey me wo ska o men's good na me pa chew se mo start so mu tua bommodia na bua me na me san kama de me ma mu se me se masa wonya discount bi ma me a egma na me ye no enkoyie me mpa wusika sa ade ani enie o mo start atua sika no me sra mo mini pe sika mo mfa ma no onji ne sika na onko membe ma me kondi se wo ye ma me a me ma o se me mpe be pesa me bua obia free nipa na yonko bubu ne da yekan o se o diska na obama me have me se mempe obi onim dan no bisa no me se mempe ana nya onu nko an eya na ngwa na kwa me plus no me se me 2016 I am very proud say be share his excellency Mampeni tama ye campaign e woni fie ni mo say plus wo be call central register na mpacho meko wo be hia bibim se na I will take care of myself. That is me pesca but minimum china some me pesca me nambo chia me hana me ni obitia na ebiti me pesca but ochina bia semunti minim manu me yent me kwa na me so me kra what you say enti no emra na ewo omemu hana ye didi na mwan no eyemra papa. I agree with the court decision and I accept it say ebeko through a certain process. But the question is that adenti in a samra ni di na mwan na endi ebino omo ya wan adenti na special prosecutor on to mean these cases nechi adenti no to mean the MPs no match double salary nechi adenti na bank issues no yaman 180 million Ghana cedi budget no to mean the anuachi na che say yen na ye gina wiam ni nsom ni ye campaign ni full stage ni ye we no yen de ye agimifu obi abeka kire o say we are all equal before the law masa say sebe wadwi mu hawa na obeji sa asem ne di wonye equal sanka wo ye equal enka Mampeni tu ne convoy na so tu die ekiri mran di bi no Mampeni de mran no na ma no kwan so onye sa de no but say wo si ye nyina ye equal and de mo mfre MPs no na mo bi so o mo say anasa mo bi sa police force say MPs na yes o mo koje double salary no kosi sen omo nka biem da esi eso yetumi frɛ kwam ye plus 5 times in 2 weeks obi di na tem no di ne bi Ghana police hwe mam kan se mi kyerɛ mo dachi asem bi besi o nipa no bu befu we am ye nipa na nye we am ye enye NDC bibia ye NDC NPP NDC NPP na maka say senka one small boy bi young boy bi eno ne asabi nya issue kamo be locking kamo de be shim yati omemu ha sofo aton oil aton oil we wo de yawo shop anim sticker we wo de kwatare wo dan ho we wo de fa wadwuma mu obenya sika we wo de tare ha eso ya chi mamaji What is the difference between me mama ji le me to be that? Me ko to sa ya de me your bank me ko to be. Me kwa me po ba bia to be ama no se be ma on fan ye me. What is the difference between mama ji ton edura ebe ma wenya kun ebe ma okuna ene omo mo ton oil for ye wenim na se beba? What is the difference? Mama ji na nkasa no so se be waji me because o tie asore ka ho. No de o ya ne sa. And what is the difference between Mama G no more anointing oil? Yes, sense when you go a paper water contain them, ya Tom saying, I say, near oil be a free her, you have been young with him. Ninny na ya ton oil, would the good be a mukuni or bepel or a young come mockpa, or say you more powers and one one pie or mom quachimota forest. Omunina oily, ye go my pump. What is the difference between them and Mama G so ton oil? A chance. What is the difference? As a yachi Mama G, once a brano, once a munya equal before the law. Once a munya equal before the law. Obi a year, with law and brano, a cheat a yanfo. Gebi dan kwa ne Kwame Nkrumah no ma chase independent no papa nka ho ma me nka ho na nka ho enti wo mam ha wo ne nemu bi obeja omu wo mam ha wo men fa nse otrim se wo ka ho NDC yete na wo papa nka ho ma me nka ho obi bia nka ho wo nka ho MPP yete no wo na wo di echire se me MPP ni na ye sunu kokroko otutu osuno esi rado me fa mia NDC ye wo omu yusu wo nka ho omu nim omu ho omuni mo nkrofo wo di ekire kwa enda gisa wo dane boson te se me nka wo bia ho first na me kan MPP for me nka ho omo ye me na fofo keke me nka pa me te se me ye ndi MPP te mama ka kire mo se momna ne yem form ye de won ya yem form ye de na se mtian kofo be frame se me nkodi MP wo be frame se me se me de mano me Kwame Plus se me de mano aka wo Facebook live over and over, say, me can't be anto abama me no. We am dying. I'm not going to stand for election 2020. Me can't stand. Me say me can't be anto abama me, and that is what I'm staying. I'm sticking to. And to obi obeka say, Kwame Professor, me say me the man no can't ma me sakra. Me say sound that. I have not asked anybody to vote for me. Me can't be anto. Me do one person vote to abama me. Me catch you. Me say me ti we me can't be aso anto abama me. 2020 year baby. Men can't be a son to Abama. As some American say, Mumma yem boom. Na ye make demands. Na ye your money ye. Yen demanded a 20-year plan. A more minor. Yen to me, emfa or minor, and to some direction be so. Yen fa or minor, and to some direction be so, not or minor, and go straight. You don't need to be in power. And send away to me as idea no. Say yen na ye wo Facebook, ye kan ye ho bom. Na say your members no doso. Na say obi here ye vote and send away to me nwini abaya apama. Na say any nipa na form coalition. Hono na say 2020 no ya anto aba manye obaya wa aban mu because ye no masen sign krata say yen nyina ye form coalition ye de wini election no. Na ya kire mo say na ye pe. It is a mo kan ho bom na mo dun ade no hu ya 2020 e beba aban. So you can't boom near year 2020 year. The ordinary people will be in government. Everybody will be in government. Everybody will have a say because you are no better come krum. Na ye demand bibi and sana. Na ye demand says so obi etu banchia. Na so ko jail 10 years sir. Say obi e di aban sika 51 million on the nam whole 11 years no up and down the no nam Africa Human Rights Court or no nam Hague adechi no nam ha no koba es obi etu banchi that should the prison basin that year kase adetia say enipa no amfa omo adwen na omo ankan bomu a say ya no mo be mu say ya omo be yen say ya NDC for way omo say 2020 omo win ya ye den 2024 mbe win. It is a injustice in this country too much. A nipa bebre ya chi omo for enoma endu ni ankrofo bebre ye. That's omo nam ho free. Omo nam ho free. And now memu aye nami. Eya de bia me catch ankrofo say, eya mpese me share JJ Rawlings former president. Na be tunu for say, eh? JJ, men this NDC at your age. NDC people put in can say wo di e chire biam. because time I will be a president, you know. Some of the reasons why Nkrofo be who you say almost share bo. As part of the reasons that you could execute Nkrofo no, na promise. Almost share bo. Promise I come. And the only Nkrofo we are and we know mass on Mampini Mums because Munkotu one village one dam on my jeep sika Mampini this what who say ye be yet village dam and my mine agriculture konenim no more go to 2 potholes. So to make country. People died for less. You do to make kasa. They say to make country be. We are hero. Injustice woman will be a software ton oil will crew has a mama ji cotton idia is a channel. Obia Kodia Bensika, we didn't free. A buying sign Tuesicano. A buying sign Tuesicano. That's one I'm free or that. And Rana Yidi Kwakuno. And yes, Abana near the Boba. Near Abana the Botechin and you near the Boba. Your Botechi near Kofa software near the Boba. And yet, we now on mine no have been treated for a very long way with Obia. Yan and saying CTF photo on camera could be police for a year and campaign for people and Namkrum had their PR who do the trafficking. So called big man on Namhon no call on Nim Rasso. That's what America. Donald Trump crabs. Donald Trump cry make sure a convoy and caught beyond the speed limit. Can I be a big man? I'm one dear Emrano, a mini bitty. But Emrano, I tell you, why you may know Sadanani a man be. Emrano, and to me, Chinkrophobe brave or groomer. As so much with the Biomo being sent a bit to Yachikwami plus ye and can one Simbia Bananka because I didn't hear, but someone drop plan and more my way. Now your mom votes. Mummy and Yapam say, who be standing for MPR. I was say, to me bar. Would me better and say, I do in a mayor, Opa, you say, a very simple. Oba, man, Shabo, Casamonto Abama make a chemical trunk and a marco deviate. Nay, who's a better one, but also buy a percent no sign paper. I agree on being the say, come be plasma crowd, a bend or hard grand do. Omun me on mine. Ghana for you. Yeah? Be any power of crew and chain the panel. The most powerful people, any the panel won't mind anymore. Or my way, yeah, or my way, a inheritance. Your forefathers, a woody giant. It is ours. We own this land. This land was given to us by our founding fathers. Omu wood geomine to home, not some people. A ya deal. And you know, ya lucky say you want democracy, you want who pine say you be a cokromoti. Choose nipa kwa epeso odi o man we so muma yan kan kire nipa na say masa o man ne ye dia we ye hwan afi trase ne bi se wasem say ye kan ye huboma ye betwen o mu nyina be independence ko ne ya kan adwan Trump for the first time in the history of this country. Omo kwa ye debate now ye beto aba na nipa bi akota de no abobo tai na omo de omo be gina on ye bisa question. So if you become ye person ye de omo be independence ko ne ye bisa question why you and answer claim. Now I say Bison boy Dagumbam and I tree, you perceive don't be now. I was here at say, gone are the days where the people didn't understand near Koso. Where after chamber issue bay, look at all the roads. Where tricycles here a room. Where a danya buzi see a champon see bebrina da su room, a champon dan you see bebrina su room, and this niba to us and people niba we are Jumuskedi, bibia ye basa or memoha, ubia or mining ni plan, and you know, and this is for bar, never benefit you, no man draw manifesto, and no normal pay TPP for your said Darby, Yankas will be on to Abama. Yankas, the president, independent candidates on parliament, the best supported be. You say independent, you be a person stand independent, be brave support to send a bear, you be independent minded people are, you the people on him and son of my signing. Independent minded, young independent minded people, say push be brave on parliament. No, no. Yan can't say you president will crew her, Darby. Yes, some drafted plan, Emma or my way. Who said this is the direction, this is the blueprint, this is the direction that the country is heading. towards. So in the next 20 years, no, that plan will not be the basic training. It's not only infrastructure. You better train up Opaga. You better say, the plan will include human development from primary school now. We call class 1. No, you better culture. You better say what no musu amen tom kina bonting. From ukutadi afato das binum. Then you so at the top level, no, your first abai say obi or shop bia must have a dustbin in front of the shop. Baby a shop in near your kwan no. Also metro no provide a dustbin a huge plan that we have to draft for this country to move this country forward. That's one more no come plus obi aye no waye ni bitino 5 times near for bra na say the last time come say but I say mo I didn't know but one more for me I didn't nipa na wako school na omkuta PhD ni ade na e wo so omunyina hu se da bi Ghana man ne akwa omunyina tu kwan o but omama NDC ni MPP na didi omutirim enti no muntumi nwen biam kakra bi but kakra bi na adwene se kan ya hu bomu a e be se son man we me de bia meka be se nipa 1 million penny nim nyansa o mema wo pa fa wo ho ka ho wo pa yu hu film se wo nim nyansa ende ye wo choice me nim nipa minimum nim nyansa minim ye select bi omunyina mbedwan ni TPP nipa 1 million na nim nyansa no wo pa abedwan ni menka se wonim nyansa wo na wonim wo ho isa wo hwe na wonim nyansa bra na bedwan ni na ye nyina ye nkambom na ye demand ade papa bi mo man we se ye ntumi anya hwe kra na se ye tumi succeed in getting a plan for this country ye nyina ye behu se school secondary school 3 years and 4 years Ghana City saying that yes, I buy be able to be baby a president no your friend Golden Jubilee House and Flagstaff House. Ghana founder your Kwame Nkrumah na say your founders. Send your bear you betumi aka sade ni nyina bom baako. Na ya hyemra say obi your project a wo ba wontumi nko start for this ye wie no. Say ye kan nyina bom na ye hyemra echichire ye de ko parliament na ye namra na emu say plan ni say na omaiga na nam so a ebeboa ye nya say etumi achieve eno nko ampo a ye ba wiase na ye be ye wie say ye to me yan ye wo ho enne if this generation can succeed in drafting a plan or demanding that a plan is drafted for this country, a 20-year plan is yankopon man yan kwa ye bedi ye 60s no ye nyina be trans ye hu abu nkompo hwe echi aka say yan ne de ade we bo man mu ha eno nko a ye enough bra ye bebo wo wiase no ya ye bidie gyanchimba omo beba no na school ye smooth na Ghana City ye smooth na kwan ye smooth na nipa dwen kra no e change ko on a certain direction because in our plan it must include the development of human beings. Say ye to me achieve eno nko na say ye ntumi a ende es gracia na say ye ntumi eno nko sa de na ye be achieve die die chirima no e ye bibi kese a yaye mumma yen kan ye humbom mumma yen kan ye humbom ni demand na say me share people for me some say enti mo na ya na mo didi atam sa na ya de na enti mo mo mpe plan me share this na me say na ya de ye ya mu instead of some mobile start at drafting your man 90 people for yen share mo na yen hwe no mo na manamo ye pese ye ma obi vote ye pese ye de 1 million vote bom ni ye de ma obi mo de mo mpe enti na ade o man na mo mpe ni ya na ade enti na mo draft the plan and come and take the vote ade enti na mo back to and negotiate say yes if you are going to vote for us this is what we are going to do let's sign a document to move the country forward ade enti na mo eno nyamo because when you dan eno ye be demand right so come here pleasant me an ya on nkofo bi beye say ya starting obia nim say dachi Ghana be ye obia nim say e wo say ye tumi ye bibia beboa ochine bi no obia nim say Ghana ntumi ye at once ye kakra but obia mpese obehye kakra na se na dia kakra it is say yen tumi achieve no this ego yen your lifetime boa obi be achieve but ye de bia me ka say yen nipa no yanka ye ho ambom na ya manage enipa ebufuo a enkrofo bi be sore obia na omo use strategy na yen ye use no omo de omo sore a ebia na omo de ntopa na beba na omo kunye nyina enti no e wo say yen no ye manage ebufuo no ye ne obi eni ntokwa ya ka se wa wo pentokwa no wuntumi join ni TPP ye pentokwa ya sem ye very simple ye pe oman no ye yo obi so say o da bia de ne yendane no party what party na wo bewe me catch you clean what party na ye koto aba wedi aye third wudi sa third na de no be biom election be ko second round e ko second round na wo be den NDC ni MPP for be ba wo e de na wo be wo no be sign apam that time no abo campaign ka wie no abo ka wo campaign enti no adenti na yenka ye hongu no mu hu ya numbers no ni yanka ncham say afi we ye na ye chusu o ye na ye chusu ni odi enti wa opese wudi no bra ade a ye panie so be ya mo man Ghana so man ti ase de a and the independent candidate ba but so mo ti ase a na ye cutting nyoma bebree obi a ne proposal wo contract wo pe contract kra ye ma paper wo contract your friends say be dey for contract wo do proposal ba ye hwa say we ne de be ma no ye nyina ye transfer be mu say we ade we ankofo we kind na be bo man no so that for the next how God knows how long yen na ye be choose nipa obu man we yen na ye be kire say wonim special prosecutor we ye mpe no say ye kan ye ho bomu a special prosecutor kra na mo de ne ba we onye me feeling no ba ku see I will see ene make me friend and I say his excellency to yi matter me do fi on adwuma na odman no on to me here and I say ochina do mama be president make me friend no da bi but ye nyina kan ye ho bom na ye catch on 2020 say mo pa ba won adwuma na mo de mama matter me do no wan ye oji 180 million de chase 30,000 ye mpeno munyi no fi ho because of the numbers and because of the power we have the ombe yi no etino munyinara monka mo bom mumma yanka ye humbom all the young people ne yenye bibi enfenja oman we asana yakọ bedamase pi nyame nhire obia ade na ye no enye ntokwa ye mpen tokwa ye ne obia nkontokwa da obi ode ntokwa beba no ye ne nye adwuma ye pese ye ya oman we yie edija ye ma eya na de bia ye kan se edija ye ma mempo de ye mfenya ye ma pe ya ye ho beto yen first na ye maso ho atom na ye nana no ho atom na ye nana kanso anfo so ho atom na me hire obia wiki ebesimi edwuma bi obia ye bia na me ntonsu panguso bibi obaye bia no enkoyie damase se munya mre de ahwe na me hire mu nyina bye bye